How to write on a picture in Word. In this example, I have already inserted a picture, but if you want to insert a picture yourself, you should click Insert, then click on Picture, and then this device, and then choose from the folder where you have stored your picture, and then click Insert. But if we want to write on this picture, we choose text box. That would be the easiest way, and then a simple text box. Then delete the stored text in here. And then click here to change the layout options, and then choose this one, which will make it in front of the text. Now you can move the text box around and over to the picture. But you would also want to remove the shape outline so it looks more that you have written directly on the picture, to no outline, and then minimize it a bit and type in some text. And now it looks like you have written directly on the picture. And that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.